Hi guys, I'm Nico here. I teach HEMA Dagger in Krakowska Szkoła Fechtunku. Today I'm going to talk to you about defending a low-level dagger attack with a flexible weapon, for example like a belt here. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to my channel, put your comments below the video. And as well, a shout out to Krakowska Szkoła Fechtunku, where I basically teach. We are having a sale of online classes where you can learn how to use the Polish saber from one of the world's most experts on the weapon. So please follow here on the left to the page of the school and find out more information how to buy those videos. So she attacks with a low level attack. I die, don't do anything. So the first thing is to move outside of the line of the attack. Second thing is to step down and capture the knife. Step in and bring the knife closer to my body. Here I press very tight, here I push. Once I do it, I do another hook, right? And with my forearm I snap into the neck. I do a right snap. Capture the face, hip to destroy the balance, and just rotate to my left side to take my opponent down. I control the hand, raise my leg, and smash the face. So she attacks with a low level attack. I die, don't do anything. So the first thing is to move outside of the line of the attack. Second thing is to step down and capture the knife. Step in and bring the knife closer to my body. Here I press very tight, here I push. Once I do it, I do another hook, right? And with my forearm snap into the neck. I do a right snap. Capture the face, hip to destroy the balance, and just rotate to my left side to take my opponent down. I control the hand, raise my leg, and smash the face. Move outside, block, push, capture, strike the neck, capture the face, rotate, hip, and take down. Once I have it down, I terminate. Move outside, block, push, capture, strike the neck, capture the face, rotate, hip, and take down. Once I have it down, I terminate. That's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like our channel, and check the HSF page for the crazy super duper Polish saber class. See ya!